Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out another Believe Beauty product that I got in my recent Dollar General haul. So I did a huge Dollar General makeup haul, and if you have not seen that video, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But I am so excited about this brand, Believe Beauty. It's so affordable. This only cost $4, and I feel like they are really great quality products. So I'm hopeful and excited about this one here, the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick that I picked up in the shade Honey Blush, which looks like such a beautiful mauve-y nude pink. But this actually comes in 8 different shades, and they have a good range of colors. There's some more like deep burgundy, reddish, orange, purpley, pink tones. So I like to see that. I like to see a good shade range, but of course I choose a color that is just one of my go-tos that I have a lot of in my collection. But hey, this is the type of color that I wear the most often. And I like the packaging on this. It's nice and big. Well, let's see what the applicator looks like. Oh, it's a like flexible, small, rounded tip applicator. No scent really to it. Here you can see what the applicator looks like. And before I apply it to my lips, I want to do a swatch. Ooh, yes. The color seems true to what I was expecting from the packaging and very pigmented. Like that is full pigment opaque color with just one swipe. It's a little hard to pull the applicator out of the packaging here. It's one thing I'm noticing. But if that's the only problem with this, then that's totally fine. Let's go ahead and see how it looks on my lips. Wow, I'm impressed. You actually do not need a lip liner with this because it's really easy to get precise, crisp edges. And it really is so pigmented, opaque color. For some reason, I just really want to add another layer just because I still have some left on the applicator here. But yeah, I really don't think that makes any difference actually. Like you really only need that one thin layer and you have full pigment opaque color. And I think this color is so pretty. It's like a purpley pink nude, which I just love how versatile this type of shade is. It could go with a glam look, it can go with a minimal makeup look, more like what I have on right now. And it is so comfortable and flattering on the lips. I have dry, chapped lips, but my lips do not look at all dry, chapped, textured. They look and feel so moisturized. They look smoothed out. The color is even, not clinging to any dry patches on my lips. So I am so impressed by this formula. I'm like surprised that it's a velvet matte because it's so creamy and it has a creamy finish to it. Like I would not describe this as matte. I'm curious, like I was kind of waiting to see if it was going to dry down, but it's just staying this creamy texture. So let's see how much transfer there is. Yeah, that's a lot of transfer. But since it's so pigmented, it's beautiful, completely still intact on my lips. Yeah, still a lot of transfer there, but still intact on my lips. But what I was kind of hoping for was for no transfer and that this would be like more matte, long lasting. But that's okay because it is so comfortable and so beautiful and so flattering on the lips. And for $4, this seriously seems like a high-end liquid lipstick. Like, I am so impressed by this. Wow. So let me know in the comments down below if you have tried this out, and if you've tried it in any other colors. I'd love to hear your feedback on those in the comments down below, because I could definitely see myself picking this up in other shades since I truly love this formula. Oh, I can't stop looking at my lips because they just look so smooth and hydrated, and I love this color. Oh. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.